Hi guys. So in unsupervised learning, we have already seen about the types of algorithms in that unsupervised learning. Under factor analysis, we have a principal component analysis and independent component analysis. So we have seen in that. Just give me some what is principal component analysis and simple case study example for PCA. Let's start.
So let me start. So what is principal component analysis? Principal component analysis is nothing but when we have a large number of data with more features. What we are supposed to do is make it into smaller data with lesser features. Let's see more about it and let's also see a case study about it.
So steps for principal component analysis. Step 1 is to find the mean of the all features, and the step 2 is to find the covariance matrix, and step 3 is to choose the principal component feature. And next will be explained by Mithuna Rakshmi.
So real world applications of the PCA is face recognition, image compressions, and NLP, natural language processing, and stock market predictions, and other applications of the NLPs.
So basically the PCA works on the larger number of data. Let us take an online store to have a PC on their customers. When they take a round of 100 customers, in those 100 customers, certain customers will buy on the daily basis. Someone will come on the monthly basis for their needs, and some will come for the festival basis. So like this, when a large set of number of data is given to them, where the 100 number of customers, they will analyze through it and they will segregate it, and the discounts will be sent to the customers based on it. The person who coming daily will get in daily offers. Person who comes monthly comes a month's offers, and the person comes in the festival will get the festival offers. Like this, the PCA works on the larger number of data to analyze what is there in the larger number of data, so that the results and the outputs and discounts can be given to the certain people with their current number of PCA which we are using it. So this is the real life PCA problem that we are using all over the customer segments in the real life.
So in conclusion, we can say that it is a huge opportunity for the businesses to come into the PCA environment, and it will be a huge success for the business market, comparing with the features that it provides to the customer and also to the businesses. So we can also develop using machine learning and AI in businesses and share markets and etc. with the PCA technology.
So this both PCA and ICA, principal component analysis and independent component analysis, we use both for the analytics purposes, for the data analytics. Basically how this ICA works, independent component analysis. Basically ICA works on the unmixed data. So these mixed data will be separated and given to the particular data sets. For example, when we are taking this video, there will be certain amount of noises over the background, and we will be certainly speaking in a certain voices. So how this ICA works? Basically it will retrieve the voices alone, and it will remove all the noises around the areas. So this is how the ICA works, independent component analysis. Basically works on the independent components. So this principal component analysis, PCA, this will work on the principal sum of data sets. For example, large number of data sets. As we already explained about the customer segmentations over the customer relationship in the supermarkets, online store, wherever it is. So unlike this PCA, we cannot use ICA over all the places, because this ICA is specifically used for the very minority uses. So this is not established as much as the PCA. So as a conclusion, we can say that we use PCA, which is a principal component analysis, over the ICA because it is more efficient and more easy to work on it. Because we don't work with these unmixed data. Basically, we work with the only mass number of data. For example, employee data, student data, mark data. So basically, we use PCA in all the areas. So we are basically majority and easier with the PCA topics which come under the regression and unsupervised. This is a daily basis we use it. So that's it.
So as an overall conclusion, we can say that better efficiency is possible with both ICA and PCA respectively with their domains. In PCA, we can go with the business domains, and as per ICA, we can go with more of a service kind of thing. Since the ICA processes with the signals and PCA is going with the data, it can both be benefited over businesses and also on the government projects and etc. And we will look into it in the future projects also. Thank you.
Thank you.